Chị JCB hiện Samaritan Wakabor here. Kyo ka chi thei ta lo zeu wa hi. He che he gala JCB ka ko wa chelai lampi ding he. Tu ye ve zen ka chi thei povin hi ja choka ga sim phasa go no he. Is ready. Thank you so much, bro. Go zong azuin. Kizin zong le. Sol nga lovin ka chi sing wen hi. Alam pi zong kenin atowin. Hal he zong le. Tha chol lo ba. Kal sun jing jing de hi kalum tu mo hi zin. Duin. Ke zong le ki hin ka chi wen hi. Wa zu ta chim se chun. Lin building to hall ta bena hi zia chu chiba hi lin building hela om tho kai ki ho ceiling blanket a khwai ta hi yan thei tha chol ba chính ta hình diện của cô sang của em thế bây giờ người ta có thể học và có tí các bạn cái palm tên tu hình sẽ giang khô các hình ta bên này là cái gì hết bố chú lên cái học không mà đồ nghiến chỉ là ngày càng tàu về hồ xuống zoom kan bo ta di khat ve hai thei zong king ta la khang khu zong kol ho zong me nom le jing e in he kha nom me. Now we have climbed up these slopey hills. You can see the view from here. Ve leo han chiba hin ham hing sa sanomin. Chiba hin thil kha kamwe. So hi ta ke bola. Ipi kiti tam choi. Amutan che. So hi kin na thei so na.
Me thu zo tam to. Nga to ipal le.
Nga to ipal jong la tui alu tong pal thei. Jong ya che.
Ngari tanga.
Nè tao đong lại chứ.
Ngari tanga pa.
Bắt đi. Ngồi lại. Ngọc. Đi đâu là kiểu hàng lắm nào.
This is awesome. We have reached the graveyard here. We can see a very big and tall tree over there. Can you see the sun? Now we are going to take more challenge, climbing up the hills once more. Okay, let us see. Here, climbing up the hills, mountains, enjoying. Sweet voice of the birds singing. Can you hear a small voice whispering? This is lit. So beautiful. What an experience. Come on. This is also another challenge. Nôm vale chalai chu kem long ki do in. Can you see something different here? See, this is what we call kampung. Hello. The pastor is sitting on the kampung. He's here. Pastor yang lain. Jangan kau dia ke. Wow, it's amazing. Clouds over the hills and mountains. It's so beautiful. What amazing creature. What amazing creation. What a rejoicing it will be when we all get to heaven. Sing the wondrous love of Jesus. Sing His mercy and His grace. See how wonderful, how wonderful, how wonderful, how wonderful is the creation. How wonderful is this creation. Let me check it out. What's happening here and what is over here? Let us see. Oh, this is beautiful flower I can see. You know what flower is this? This is what we call kinep na pacha. This kinep na pacha. Before I get this. See. This is one corner of my room. It's quite amazing. Scary. This narrow path.